sawa na, ako ay sawa na. Sawa na, ako ay sawa na. Sawa na. Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Sawa Na by Adie. So first up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So a quick disclaimer, first I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But before I begin, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. Okay, so before I teach you guys the chord progression that we're going to use in this song, I'd just like to discuss with you the chords that we're going to use throughout this entire song, which are going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be an open A major chord, which is going to be like this. And that's going to be a dead string on the lower E string, open A string, 2 D string, 2nd fret G string, 2nd fret B string, and then an open string on the high E string. So next up is going to be a C sharp minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, we're going to use our index finger to bar the entire 4th fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a 6th fret on the D string, as well as the 5th fret on the B string. And as for the lower E string, this is not going to be included, or a dead string in this case. Yep. The next up is going to be the D major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, it's going to be the 5th fret on the A string, 7th fret D string, 6th fret G string, 7th fret B string, and it's going to be dead strings or not included for the low and the high E strings. And lastly, it's going to be the D minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. Now this has the exact same chord shape as the C sharp minor 7 earlier, but we're just going to move it from the 4th fret to the 5th fret. And so it's going to be 5, 7, 5, 6, 5, with the lower E string not being included, or a dead string in this case. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. So for the first 2 down strums, it's going to be like this. And for the third one, it's going to be an accented down strum, which means that it has more force or much more emphasis to it, so it's going to be like this. Then for the 4th down strum, it's just going to be another one of those first 2 down strums earlier. So for the normal down strums, it's just going to be these top 3 strings right here. Yep, that's going to be the lower E string, A string, and the D string. If you sometimes strum the G strings along with these top 3 strings, that's fine as long as you're trying to just strum these top 3 strings right there. And as for the accented down strums, you're going to be strumming all of these 6 strings right here. So if you plan to use your finger for strumming, I prefer to use this part of your index finger for the down strums. And if you want to use a pick, it's going to be much more straightforward, so you're just going to be doing a downward motion for the down strums. Yep. So again, it's going to be down strum, accented down strum, then another down strum. So a bit closer. For the down strums, you're only going to be strumming these 3 strings right there. Yep. But for the accented down strums, you're going to be strumming all of these 6 strings. Yep. Normal down strums, accented down strum. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 1 whole count for each chord that you're going to play in this song. And so for the intro section of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep. So first up is going to be an open A major chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. As I've taught you guys earlier, for this one, we're going to be doing the strumming pattern for 4 times in repetition. So again, it's going to be like this. Down, down, accented down strum, then down strum. Yep, so it's going to be like this. Yep, and 3 more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. The next up is going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. So once again, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts with the same strumming pattern. Then this time it's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. going to be the D minor 7 chord for 4 counts. So all in all, for the intro section of this song, it's going to be like this. Open A major chord, 2, 3, 4, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, D major 7 chord for 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's going to be the D minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figured that out, we're now moving on to the next sections of this song now. Okay, and as for the verse sections as well as the third chorus section of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Now it's just the same as the intro section of the song earlier, but instead of just repeating that entire chord progression once, we're going to be doing it twice now this time. So again, open A major chord for 4 counts, 2, 3, 4, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, 3, 4, D major 7 chord for 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be the D minor 7 chord for 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Then again, starting from the open A major chord for 4 counts up to the D minor 7 chord for 4 counts, I'm going to be doing that entire thing one more time. So it's going to be like this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you finally sorted that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. Lagi na lang nag-iisa, hanggang kailan ako gan'to, hanggang kailan. Tila parang sinasadya, may bathala ang aking sitwasyon, aking kwinekuwestiyon ang mundo. And as for the chorus and the post-chorus sections of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. So same as the intro section of this song, we're only going to be doing that entire chord progression once. So again, it's going to be the open A major chord for 4 counts, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, D major 7 chord for 4 counts, then lastly it's going to be the D minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, and once you finally sorted that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. SAWA na, ako ay SAWA na, SAWA na, ako ay SAWA na, SAWA na, SAWA na akong mag-isa. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget subscribing the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay up to date with my future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.